That's a good, decent tip. Starting this day with $12.25. Let's go. Take care. Macaque. Fuck up that. Here.
Order 252.
Thank you. Good. Ooh, you want the family size.
Shorty out there pumping. Shorty was like 12 going on 20. A real loser type nigga, you know. No hope for the future at all. To him, it just wasn't realistic that he was ever going to make it out the project. And he was right.
For sure.
Fuck that extra. So that money really I'm asking. Most of these niggas think they be macking, but they be acting. Who they attracting with that line? What's your name? What's your sign? Soon as he buy that wine, I just creep up from behind. And ask what your interest on. Who you be? Things to make you smile. What numbers to dial? You gon' be here for a while. I'm gon' call my crew. You gon' call your crew. We can rendezvous at the bar around 2. Plans to leave, throw the keys to little C's, pull the truck up front and roll up the next blunt. So
you know what this is?
On the way to the telly, go fill my belly. A T-bone steak, cheese, eggs, and Welch's grape. Conversate for a few.
Oh, because I don't see that.
What we came to do, ain't that right, boo?
Alright, cool, thank you.
Forget the telly, we just go to the crib and watch a movie in the jacuzzi, smoke all while we do it. I got more Mac than Craig and in the bed. Believe me, sweetie, I got enough to feed the needy. No need to be greedy. I got mad friends with bins and see no the layers. True fucking players. Jump in the room and come over. Tell your friends I'm in the GS3. I got the chronic by the tree. Imagine the Benz is giving ends to my friends and it feels stupendous. Tremendous cream. Fuck a dollar and a drink.
How you doing? It's gonna be for DoorDash. Thank you. You too. Diane?
I'm blowing up like you thought I I would. Call a crib, same number, same hood. It's all
Whatever you need, girl, you know I'm by your side. I'm keeping it G.
Let's see, it says 18 minutes, but I can make it less.
Been on my mind, ain't the vibe shit all the time. My name is Larry. You should take a nigga number and call me sometime.
Check it out. Huh?
You're just starting?
Appreciate you.
You want a cup order?
It's okay, it's cool.
Stereotypes of a black male misunderstood, and it's still all good. And if you
Thank you.
My brain, every hands on the hoe. I never had white tees and snow. Whips on new. The game ain't just
How's it going, boss? Here you go.
The straw's gonna be inside of it.
Okay, thank you.
Yesterday, we didn't come at all. DoorDashes.
I know.
Here you go.
How you doing, bro? Chilling.
What's it?
We're recording YouTube.
For YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh, that's tough. Hey, that's tough. That's hard, bro.
I'ma try it.
Yeah, that's smart, bro. Little kids, man.
He said, what is that? Yes, sir.
we used to fuck when the landlord dissed us. No heat, wonder why Christmas missed us. Birthdays was the worst days. Damn right, I like the life I live, 'cause I went from negative to positive, and it's all